I have manifested a lot of my dreams, whether it's building a successful six-figure online business or traveling to different places in the world. I have tried Neville's teachings for many years, and I regret not knowing the lessons I'm going to share with you in this video earlier. By the end of this video, you will learn powerful lessons that will broaden your manifestation knowledge and speed up your results. So watch until the end and comment below what you want to manifest. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the power of our inner conversations. Our inner conversations, also known as our self-talk, are the constant stream of thoughts and beliefs that we have about ourselves and the world around us. These conversations can be either positive or negative and can greatly impact our mental and emotional well-being. Neville believed that our inner conversations have a direct impact on what we experience in the outer world. This means that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. For example, if we constantly tell ourselves that we're not good enough or that we'll never achieve our goals, then we'll start to experience situations that confirm those beliefs. On the other hand, if we focus on positive thoughts and affirmations, such as "I am capable of achieving my goals" or "I am worthy of success," we'll start to see positive changes in our life. So, how do we change our inner conversations? Neville taught that in order to change our inner conversations, we need to actively engage with our thoughts and transform them to align with our desired outcomes. This means being mindful of what we say to ourselves and actively working to replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and visualizations that embody the wish fulfilled. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, you need to focus on thoughts and conversations that align with that outcome. This might mean repeating affirmations like "I am worthy of a fulfilling career" or visualizing yourself in your dream job. By consistently focusing on these thoughts and conversations, you'll start to see opportunities that align with that outcome. Neville also believed that changing our inner conversations is essential in order to achieve a shift in our states of being. He believed that the passage in the book of Ephesians emphasizes the need to take off our old ways of thinking and put on a new character. In doing so, we can develop a strong mental diet that aligns with our desired outcomes. Neville emphasizes that the power of this technique lies in its consistency. By remaining vigilant with our thoughts and frequently returning to conversations that imply the wish fulfilled, we can produce corresponding outer movements. It's important to note that changing our inner conversations takes practice and patience. It's not something that will happen overnight. It requires a conscious effort to replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and visualizations. But with consistent effort, we can transform our inner conversations and create a positive feedback loop where our inner movements produce corresponding outer movements, bringing us closer to our desired reality. Neville also emphasized that sustained effort is essential in order to see real change in our lives. While he acknowledged that focused inner talking for just a few minutes can bring about external changes, he encouraged a more comprehensive approach to transform our inner conversations. This involves becoming fully aware of our inner conversations and working to align them with our desired outcomes throughout the day. One way to become more aware of our inner conversations is through the practice of mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is a state of awareness of the present moment, where we observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Through mindfulness, we can become more aware of our inner conversations and start to identify negative self-talk that is holding us back. Meditation is another technique that can help us become more aware of our thoughts and inner conversations. By practicing meditation regularly, we can train our minds to focus on positive thoughts and reinforce positive beliefs. Another technique that Neville taught for transforming our inner conversations is journaling. Journaling involves writing down our thoughts and feelings and reflecting on them. By journaling regularly, we can become more aware of our inner conversations and work to transform them. We can also use affirmations to reinforce positive thoughts and beliefs. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to reinforce positive beliefs and overcome negative ones. Neville revealed that the power of imagination is a crucial tool in manifesting our desires. He argued that our imagination is not just a passive mental activity, but an active force that can create movement in the inner world, leading to a transformation of our external circumstances. Neville emphasized the importance of centering our imagination on the end result we desire and experiencing the feeling of fulfillment in our imagination. By focusing our imagination on the end result we desire, we create a clear picture in our minds of what we want to manifest. This clarity helps to align our thoughts and actions towards our desired outcome. By experiencing the feeling of fulfillment in our imagination, we activate the emotional state that is associated with our desired reality. This emotional state is what attracts opportunities and resources that align with our desired outcome. Let's say you want to manifest a new home. You can imagine yourself walking through the rooms, feeling the warmth and comfort of the space. By focusing on these positive feelings, you'll start to attract opportunities that align with that outcome. You might start to notice more real estate listings that fit your criteria or receive unexpected financial resources that can help you afford your dream home. As his teachings state, that our imagination is not just limited to creating mental pictures but can also extend to our senses. By using our senses in our imagination, we can create a more vivid and realistic experience of our desired reality. This helps to activate the emotional state associated with our desired reality and attract opportunities and resources that align with it. It's important to note that the power of imagination is not just about wishful thinking. It's about creating a clear and vivid picture of what we want to manifest and experiencing the feeling of fulfillment in our imagination. By doing so, we activate the emotional state associated with our desired reality and attract opportunities and resources that align with it. But it's also important to take action towards our desired outcome. Our imagination is a tool to inspire us to take action towards our goals. According to Neville, the power of inner talking and mental diet is not just limited to our psychological state, but can also impact the physical world around us. According to him, our inner conversations are not just a psychological phenomenon, but a fundamental law that operates beneath all physical appearances. By consistently practicing these techniques, we can develop unusual powers of concentration and intuition, ultimately achieving a heightened state of consciousness and awareness of the interdimensionally larger world. Neville argued that our thoughts and beliefs can have a direct impact on our physical health and well-being. He believed that our bodies are not just physical entities, but are also influenced by our inner conversations and beliefs. By focusing on positive thoughts and affirmations about our health, we can activate the body's natural healing mechanisms and stimulate a healing process. For instance, if you're trying to manifest physical healing, you can focus on positive thoughts and affirmations about your health. By consistently practicing these techniques, you can develop a heightened awareness of your body and the healing process. This awareness can lead to a deeper understanding of your body's needs and a greater connection with the healing power within you. In his view, the power of inner talking and mental diet can extend beyond just our individual well-being and impact the world around us. He argued that our thoughts and beliefs can influence the events and circumstances that we encounter in our lives. By consistently practicing positive inner conversations, we can attract positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. In order to develop these unusual powers of concentration and intuition, Neville emphasized the importance of consistent practice and discipline. He believed that by consistently practicing these techniques, we can develop a heightened state of consciousness and awareness of the interdimensionally larger world. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.